What's up guys, it's me Inventor, and this is the last video of this year. This was my first year on YouTube and I think I did well as a YouTuber. We got over 100 subscribers, which means we surpassed my goal. And I think for next year my goal is gonna be 1,000 subscribers. That's right, 1,000 subscribers. I uploaded over 20 videos this year, which I think is pretty well. But if I uploaded every week, I would have made 52 videos.
52 videos!
So I decided to make a rewind of my channel. Not a YouTube rewind though. But before we start, I didn't do it a while ago, but here are top 5 comments. Yay! So yeah, 1, 2, 3, rewind time.
To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Just kidding, it worked.
Back to you after. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see my channel. If you want to see the video that me and Vasily made on my channel, @JackPeas on YouTube will be in the description.
Made a video where it is whisper challenge and we made a flashlight.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for sharing, commenting, and watching my videos. And I will see you next year. That means 2019. Bye!